Okay, customer always need the switch for Stair switch. So how to realize the Wi-Fi switch to be Stair switch? It is a problem, but we have found the solution. Firstly, we link the Wi-Fi switch to the lamp. Okay, so it is on work now. And then we connect another Wi-Fi switch. That is a downstairs switch, also connect with the Wi-Fi, but it is no output to light, no need output, just a voltage input. So it is working. Yeah, it is working. So what we need to do is to set up the condition in our app. So I will show you our app. This is BRIGHTFUN app, and I open it. So this is Stair switch 1 and Stair switch 2. Stair switch 1, it connects with the light. I can switch it on and off. And this Stair switch 2 is connected to this downstairs switch. It is not connected with light, but just connected with Wi-Fi. I can switch it on and off. Okay, so I need to set up scenes. I add one more scene, that is Stair switch 1 on. So the condition is when the device Stair switch 2 is on, then the Stair switch 1 is on. So this is condition 1. Stair switch 1 on. That means if I turn it to on, the Stair switch 1 will go on. Okay, then I need to add one more condition. The condition is Stair switch 2 on. 刚才是 on 啊。off. Then the Stair switch 1 is off. Okay, this is condition 2. Enter name. Okay, Stair switch 1 off. Save. Okay, this is condition 2. Stair switch off. So when I switch it off, the light will go off. But the other problem is when I press this to control on and off, I need to press one more. Okay, this is okay, but when I press here, when this is on and I want to switch it off, I need to put one more. So this is not very quick. So I need to put 2 more conditions. Okay, I need to put 2 more conditions. That is Stair switch on. Oh, sorry. One more condition is add a condition. When Stair switch 1 is on, then Stair switch 2 is on. So the name is Stair switch 2 on. Save. Okay, and then I add one more condition is Stair switch 2 off. The condition is when Stair switch 1 is off, then the Stair switch 2 is off. Save it. Okay, now 4 condition is imported, so we can try it. It's on, it's on. Press it off, it's off. And I press this on, and then I press this off. I press this on, I press this off. So this is very fluent. No any more click need. So this is a very perfect